Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LEED course problem of the day, boards to save people. In this problem, we are given an array of people where people I is the weight of ith person and an infinite number of boards, where each board can carry a maximum weight of limit and each board carries at most two pupils at the same time, and provided the sum of weight of those people is at most limit. Return the minimum number of boards to carry every given person. So let's see the test cases. Like in the first test case, pupils weight are 1 and 2 and the limit is 3. So I can either pick 1 only then and 2 only. There will be 2 boards required, or I can pick 1 and 2 both in the same time because their weight sum is less than equal to limit. So I can pick both at the same time and there can be at max 2 people at the same time in the same boat. So one boat is minimum required. So answer will be 1. Similarly, in second test case, the pupils array is 3, 2, 2, 1 and the limit is 3. So 3 cannot be paired with anyone, so 3 will be alone. So I can pick only 3, so one boat is required. Then 2 can pair with 1 because 2 plus 1 is 3 and there can be at max 2 people. So we are choosing only 2 people in the same boat. So boats count will increase to 2 and remaining 2 will alone. So there is no one to pair up, so he will be alone in the boat. So total boats required is 3. And in the third test case, limit is 3 and the pupils array is 3, 5, 3, 4. So 3 cannot be paired with anyone because he can be paired with less than equal to 2 because the limit should be smaller than 5. So 3 can be paired with weight of value less than equal to 2, but there is no 2 or lesser value, so 3 will be alone. Similarly, 5 will be alone because no value will make a pair with value smaller than equal to limit, and this 3 also and this 4 also. So these 4 people will sit individually in the board, so total 4 boards required. So let's see how we can approach this problem. So the first thing that can came to our mind is we can sort the array, because sorting the array doesn't change our answer and it will only help us because sorting make things much easier. So yeah. So let's see in the second test case, if we sort the array, pupils array, we will get 1, 2, 2 and 3. So after sorting the array, I will make 2 pointers. So one will be I and one will be j. I will check if weight of I plus weight of j is smaller than equal to limit. If that's the case, if weight of I plus weight of j is smaller than equal to limit, then I can pair these guys and make them sit in the same boat. So boards count will increase by 1 and I will be shifted to here, I plus plus, and j will be shifted to here, j minus minus. So yeah, and if that's not the case, means this j value cannot pair with this I value, then value greater than v of I will definitely be cannot paired with this guy, so he has to sit alone. So I will do j minus minus and I will increase the board count because this cannot be paired with any of the guy. Like in this case, 1 plus 3 is 4 and that's value is greater than limit. So this 3 cannot, if this 3 cannot be paired with smallest value, then obviously this cannot be paired with value greater than v of I. So I have to make sure that this guy sit alone and I will decrease my j. So there are 2 cases. If pupil I first case, pupil I plus pupil j is smaller than equal to limit, then this is the best scenario for us. Then what I will do, I will increase I plus plus and j minus minus, means I will make sure that these guys ith guy and jth guy sit together, and I will increase my I and I will decrease my j and I will increase my answer. So board plus plus. So this is the best scenario for us. Otherwise, in the case number 2, if pupil I plus pupil j is greater than limit, then this jth guy cannot be paired with smallest guy present in the our sample space. So what I will do, I will make sure that this guy sit alone, then I will do j minus minus and I will do board plus plus. So yeah, that's the only two cases that we have to take care, and this will make sure that we use minimum number of boards because we are pairing each guy with smallest value present, and this will make sure that our number of boards will be minimum. So yeah, let's see the code for this. So in the first step, I will sort the pupils array. So sort pupil dot begin comma pupil dot end. Then what I will do, I will create 2 pointers. So int I is equal to 0 and j is equal to pupil dot size minus 1. And I will create my boards array where I will store what is the number of boards required. So yeah, and while I is smaller than j, what I will do, I will check what is the current sum. Int current sum is equal to pupil I plus pupil j. So yeah, this is my current sum. If this current sum is smaller than equal to limit, then this is our best case scenario, and I will do I plus plus j minus minus and I will increase my answer. So yeah, if current sum is smaller than equal to limit, then I will do I plus plus j minus minus and boards plus plus. So else I will do j minus minus, and at each case I have to increase boards count. So boards plus plus. At the end I will return boards count. So boards. Let's run this. So it's passing the sample case. Let's submit this. So yeah, it works. So thank you guys for watching.